checking out my channel. Today we're gonna make sugar cookies. So I have 3 boys and they're always eating, so I like to know what they're putting in their bodies, so I always try to make their dessert. So I'm gonna do some sugar cookies and then we're gonna decorate them with these different colors. So I already have my oven set at 375, so you just need your oven set at 375. I have my baking tin, I have all my ingredients. So you need 1.5 cups of sugar, you need 1 cup softened butter, so 2 unsalted softened butter, so 2 of these make 1 cup. And then of course baking powder, baking soda, vice versa. Baking soda, baking powder. Need a little vanilla. And if you have buttermilk, you put buttermilk. So it's gonna be chewy sugar cookies. But I don't have buttermilk, so I'm gonna use milk. And you could use regular milk. I just so happen to have organic milk. So, and of course, 1 egg. Okay, so let's get started. Butter first, of course, 1.5 cups of sugar and 1 cup of butter. So you get that going. While that's going, I'm gonna sieve the flour. To make it smooth, you just sieve the flour. Just to make it smooth, you don't have to, but I like to do it. I said 2 3/4 cups of flour. So you just sieve it and make it smooth. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the egg to the sugar and butter. I got my so you scrape it from the sides. While that's going, I'll do my vanilla extract, and the ingredients, all the ingredients and all the measurements will be down below. So it's about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I usually don't measure, but for this purposes, we're gonna measure. Got a little butter on my hand. You put it on about, if you have one of these, you put it on about 4 or 5 or 6, whichever one. While that's going, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So what's gonna happen, I'm gonna add all the dry ingredients to the butter and sugar and the vanilla. And at the same time, I'm making a mess, but it's okay. At the same time, you have your buttermilk or milk, and you add a little bit in there because you want that chewy. You do about 3 to 4. The second time. Again, you just add some milk. And if you think you need some more milk, you can add it. Once you're done, you should have a nice soft consistency for the batter. can't feel it, but the consistency should be just like that. What you're gonna do, you have your pan, your baking sheet. It's non-stick, so if you have the non-stick pan, then you're good to go. If not, then you have to use butter or a spray to just spray it down, okay? And what I use is an ice cream scooper, just to scoop it. So I'm gonna do jumbo sugar cookies, just to get that big, nice one. I just go in with the ice cream scooper. And you have, of course, you have cookie scooper, but I don't have any, so we're gonna improvise. Then you put it in the oven. You put it in the oven at 375 for about 8 to 10 minutes.